Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to make those worries disappear. What makes AirTag truly revolutionary is precision finding, powered by Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you directly to your lost item with exact distance and direction on your iPhone. Imagine seeing an arrow on your phone, leading you right to your misplaced items hidden under the couch. It's like having a personal GPS for your belongings. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be easier. Simply bring it near your iPhone, tap once, and it's instantly connected to your Apple ID and the Find My network. This seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, combined with millions of Apple devices worldwide forming a massive anonymous network, makes it the most powerful Bluetooth tracker available today. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTag can handle spills, splashes, or even a sudden downpour, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged. If you're ready to upgrade your peace of mind and never frantically search for your essentials again, check out the Apple AirTag 4-pack linked in the description below. This isn't just any item finder, it's a game changer for anyone wanting the best in lost item recovery, especially for those invested in the Apple universe. From car keys to luggage, the AirTag offers an incredible level of security and convenience that other trackers simply can't match. Don't miss out. Grab your Apple AirTag today and experience the ultimate solution for keeping track of what matters most.